Guys, see Auntie Brooke? Brooklyn, don't you take off that diaper. Brooklyn. Blue, look at your sister. Why does she have to take her diaper off? Brooklyn. What did I tell you about taking your diaper off? Raider, get out of there. She's just letting him. Look at her. She's just letting him. Hot box. Look at her. She took her diaper off. Brooklyn, you gonna get blood on my carpet? Look how clean my carpet is. And you're gonna get it all bloody. Raider, get out of there. Brookie Chew, why you take off your diaper, Brooklyn? Brookie, being rude. She's being rude. Brooklyn, give me the diaper. Brooklyn, you just want them to sniff you, that's all. You're being a hot box. But go put your diaper back on. Yes. Look, she just wants them to sniff her. Look at her. Brooklyn, those are your nephews. Sino's coming this weekend. Where's Sino? Where's Sino? You want to see Sino? You miss Sino, Blue? Sino's coming this weekend. Raider, sniffing your auntie's underwear. Raider. This is my life.